How to manually develop players in eFootball mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can manually develop players in eFootball mobile. So on eFootball mobile, open up your team and go to game plan or your player list. And let's say you have basically a certain player trained already, but you can select that and you can go to player progression. Currently, I have auto allocated all of this progression, but let's say I want to manually allocate it. First, I will tap on action and I will select reset all of this, and I'll just come back again. Then again, I'll select that player from here. Then again, I'll go to the option that says player progression. Now on the left hand side, you can see all of the different type of arrows for different type of awareness. So what you want to do is you want to just increase it according to however you want to see fit. So based on what you want to increase, you will find shooting, dribbling, and all of these options right here, and you can choose to go ahead and increase all of these settings in this case, and from there on you will then be able to go ahead and then basically allocate manually your defensive players for manual progression. This way you can manually develop players in eFootball mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.